Latiniente L.A. Tenorio stunned the local basketball scene back in March when he revealed his fight against stage 3 colon cancer. But this week, the PBA's Iron Man announced that he is cancer-free to the delight of just about everybody, from his family, his friends, his teammates, and fans. Kaya fan man ng PBA o hindi, tuwan-tuwa para kay L.A. Tenorio, joining us for this special all-out conversation. Live inside the studio is Latiniente himself, Luis Alfred Tenorio. Magandang gabi. Parang baba ng upuan mo. Sige, taas mo muna.
Niloloko niya ako dito. Niloloko niya ba ako dito?
Hindi, taas ka muna, taas ka. Tutulungan kita. Sige, ayan. Okay ka na?
Okay na.
Okay.
Taas naman ito.
Pards,
Kamusta?
kamusta ka?
Ay naman.
Ha?
Good.
Welcome back. Alam mo, lagi kong sinasabi nga, you know, I've been doing the show for almost 8 years, but this is different because, of course, di ba, sports icon ka, PBA legend, pero di ba may pinagsamahan tayo since college. Sabi ko, ano sa akin to? Dahil personal at the same time professional because I was the best man at your wedding. Naanak ko sa mga anak mo, pinaka-pogi, si Sian. Kamusta ka na? Una sa lahat, live tayo. How is L.A. Tenorio?
First of all, no, good evening to all the viewers, yung mga suki mong viewers dito. Meron ba? Hindi, joke lang.
Number one to.
Good evening to everyone, and I just want to start this conversation between you and me to take this opportunity to thank everyone, no, na talagang patuloy na nagdasal sa akin or nagdarasal sa akin all throughout my journey, of this cancer. So hindi ko mabanggit yung
Kasi yung
hindi ko mabanggit yung word eh. But yun nga, tapos na yun. But I just want to thank each and everyone. Kung kaya ko lang sagutin yung mga messages nila isa-isa, sagutin ko. But thank you, nababasa ko, and thank you sa inyo lahat. So yun, to answer your question, of course, I'm never been good or better for the past 8 months of my life. Ako naman, masaya ako. Masaya ako.
As in, fully healthy, wala ka naramdaman. Di ba natanggal na din yung portakat mo, sabi mo na Tuesday?
Actually, it's not portakat. It's a line siya.
Line yung, di
iba
ba,
yung
kinakabit?
version dun
okay.
sa...
Pero ito yung kinakabit, di ba? Yung sa Singapore.
Parang IV line siya.
Okay.
So, na 24/7 na nakabit sa akin. But, I'm okay.
Yeah.
So, I have the clearance already to play. I'm clear. For the past 6 months, I had 2 PET scans already. So I think that the last PET scan, which is the Tuesday night, na naunahan ako ni Coach Tim na but I called them right away and they were very happy.
Yeah,
so,
of course.
Excited talaga sila. And sakto na sa press conference sila noon. So but I'm okay. We asked the doctor kung ano talaga yung right medical term for me to do. So he said in a remission.
Yeah.
So but still I still have to do mga regular checkups. Pero hindi naman yung
parang ganyan yan.
Parang balik ako every 2 weeks.
Si Ross, hindi ako nakasama nung sa pinapakita yung mga sumama sa Singapore.
Oo nga no? Hindi ka nakasama no. Best man ko yung sumamang yun eh. Best man, bakit? Sumama sa akin.
Sorry na.
Joke lang.
Busy
Pero
tayo.
sabi ko naman sa'yo, prayers
naman.
is enough.
Meron ka bang timetable? Alam kong sabi mo dati, try mo October. Pero eto na cancer-free. May timetable ka ba kung kailan ka babalik? Full contact ka?
Full contact, of course, practice siguro. I'll do it slowly but surely because I didn't do any basketball activities talaga for the past 8 months during the duration of the chemo, no? Excuse me. Kasi ako, parang ginawa ko kasi throughout the 8 months that I had, no, yung journey na yun. Parang nilayo ko talaga yung sarili ko muna, yung sarili ko sa basketball kasi ayoko siyang ma-miss. So I did a lot of different things, no? Golf is the main.
Nakatulong yan.
Nakatulong, na sobrang laking tulong kasi, playing with friends, playing with different people, no, na hindi naman sa basketball. So, yun ang ginawa ko, laking tulong nun. And then, siguro, ang timetable ko is, I just want to do it parang, it's parang slowly ba ayoko pilitin na rin eh, 'di ba? So katulad nga ng sinabi ko, I want to go back.
Of course.
Pero I just want to go back na hindi lang ako bumalik dahil for the sake of me going back because of what happened to me. No, I want to go back because I want to go back. Right? I want to play. I want,
Of course.
Hindi naman yung parang same na. Kasi iba na rin eh, di ba? Siyempre, marami na rin bata, hindi my age, di ba? Aminado naman tayo doon, but still that I can contribute to the team, di ba? So, yun yung gusto ko. So, I'll see. I haven't talked to Coach Tim about it because we're too busy about the Asian Games.
Yeah.
And so, hindi ko pa siya nakakausap. Pero after siguro nito, we'll talk about it.
Posible by November? Yung, di ba November 5 yung opening ng PBA? Or baka next year na? Or December?
Hindi naman siguro next year, no? Siguro mag-target ako. I want to target siguro,
December?
Siguro, yeah. Pero kung kaya naman ng November, why not? Pero again,
yeah.
Ano rin eh, it depends on the...
Of course.
Kumbaga, kung sa katawan ko, I want to listen to my body.
Alam mo, Pards, kilala kita ever since fighter ka eh. Kahit nung bata ka pa. Di ba, ang dami mo nang pinagdaanan. Ito yung pinakamatinding laban sa buhay mo. Pero nung nalaman mo nga na cancer-free ka and leading up to that moment, naramdaman mo ba sa katawan mo? Like, you know na, di ba? Kasi kahit anong sabihin naman or sa test or anything, but you feel in your body na okay na ako.
Actually, after the operation, after the operation, and then after the 6th session of my chemo, I felt really good, especially after the PET scan, after the halfway of the cycle.
The cycle, yeah.
Parang I feel like I'm okay. Parang ang pakiramdam ko, wala na akong sakit. I have to finish this journey, this cycle, no?
Yeah.
But going to the last session and then going to the PET scan 2 weeks after the last session, yun medyo may kaba. No? Siyempre, you still don't know. Kasi nasa loob na ka. Although, sinusunod ko naman kung ano yung mga dapat kong gawin for the past months. No? So, actually, wala namang bawal sa akin. Walang pinagbawal yung doktor. But ako na lang mismo. Kami na mismo ng wife ko na kung ano yung dapat gawin for this cycle. Gawin na lang. Diba? So, yun, I did that and feeling ko I'm okay. Actually, I never felt that I had the cancer during the duration of my chemo, no? Until they pulled out my line 2 days ago, Tuesday. Na parang na-realize ko after na parang, wow, nagkaroon ako ng cancer. Parang gano'n. And then I'm here now.
Thank God. Thank
diba?
God.
Na parang I'm here now na parang given another chance,
of course,
another life, another opportunity, no? So, no, I'm excited. I'm excited what's next. Kung ano yung next chapter ng sinulat sa statement ko. No? I'm really excited.
Nag-statement ka nga, Pards, dun sa Instagram at sabi mo nga ngayon in remission, you're turning to basketball, you have a higher purpose as a new and better version of yourself. Especially for those who look up to you at ang dami, yung inspiration, sasabihin, LA, you're such an inspiration. Ano yung gusto mong matutunan nung someone watching right now could probably be going through the same thing you're going through? Or yung gusto mo din matulungan yung taong pagdadaanan din ito. Wag naman sana, pero anong mabibigay mong payo? Especially with coming from the experience that you've dealt with the past 8 months.
Well, number one that I want to advise, no, it's really the faith. I think ako I think 100% na nag-save sa akin is really my faith, no.
Kita ko yun.
Isipin ng mga tao. Hindi, gusto ko lang linawin. No? Baka isipin naman ng mga tao na I started, going to God because of my situation. Ever since.
Ever since po.
Growing up,
yes.
and you're a witness of
Of course, yes, of course.
So,
Kita ko yun.
I think my faith really saved me. Ako, I can say that. Talaga yun. Yun lang ang may advice ko. And of course, during the duration of the cycle or this journey, I just live my life, every day na, thanking God that I have the opportunity waking up again and, have the opportunity to spend time with my family, with my children.
Kids, bata pa yun.
Bata pa. And then my wife, of course, who's been really... who's been there for me since day one. Grabe. Kung mayroong mas stress talaga, hindi ako. Yung wife ko talaga yung sobrang stress because of my situation.
Grabe si Cheska.
Grabe yung sacrifice nila. My family, per se. So, ako, I think, it's really, not taking things for granted. Yun yung na-realize ko all throughout the journey. Whether you're working, whether you're playing, or you're an athlete, or in your family, mas maraming importante sa buhay kaysa isipin natin yung mga ibang bagay, mga masasamang bagay, di ba? Pagtuunan natin ng pansin ng mabubuting bagay. Kasi you never know.
Naman.
Akalain ba natin lahat na magkaganit
sa PBA Ironman? Pards, balik ito. I'm sure maganda, ang daming matututunan yung ganda nung sinabi mong yun. Ito, medyo ibang karera mo. Assistant coach ka dito para sa Gilas Pilipinas. Balik Gilas pero assistant coach. Kamusta? Sagutin mo yan mamaya. Patuloy natin. Marami pa tayong pag-uusapan. Our all-out conversation with Barangay Ginebra superstar L.A. Tenorio will continue after this really quick timeout. You're watching Sports Desk only here on CNN Philippines, where we go all out for today's top sports stories. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Sports Desk only here on CNN Philippines. All eyes on Gilas Pilipinas now as the men's national basketball team gearing up for the 19th Asian Games in China. Still with us today for an all-out conversation live is Barangay Ginebra superstar point guard and Gilas Pilipinas assistant coach Latiniente L.A. Tenorio. Pards, I've watched your career, also supported you when you were a player. Nung kakampi mo sila Jimmy, sila Jason, kahit ang dami mong pinagdaanan. Ito ngayon, as assistant coach L.A. Tenorio, I'm sure kahit paano may ulit, di ba, na Gilas ulit ako pero assistant coach, anong pakiramdam?
Siyempre, nandun pa rin excitement, to be part of the national team. It's been, it's always been a blessing, to be part of the national team. And, luckily, I'm still part of the national team, pero iba naman, as an assistant coach naman. But, actually, baka maging playing assistant.
Ayun nga, nakikita ko playing assistant coach. So, nakikita ko hindi. Parts, health issues aside, tingin mo kaya pa mag-playing coach?
Oo naman. I was talking to Coach Tim nga eh. Sabi niya, if I'm really healthy, kung medyo nauna-una lang na mga natanggal to ng mga 2 weeks before, nailaro. Kasi, Coach Tim said that because of the familiarity of the system. I've been, we've been running the system. I've been running the system for 14 years, 15 years of my career, So, kaya yun yung pinag-uusapan namin. So, even in practice, when we had this training camp, pag kulang, sumasabay ako. Ang maganda kasi dito, syempre, mga bata na, diba? Most of them are, young. Most of them. I was with Junmar and Japet already.
Sa Gilas.
Sa Gilas, diba? So, the good thing about my role right now is, I think yung nabuo kong taon sa PBA, I gained the respect of the people or the players that we have right now in the national team. So, I think yung maganda na, ikinig naman sila and ibang pakiramdam din pag ikaw naman yung nagtuturo. Ibang perspective naman yung nakikita ko. So, ganun pala kahirap talaga maging coach.
Talaga. Nakikita ko nga, kahit yun, di ba, yung sina Calvin Oftana, tinuturo mo.
Even sina Calvin, sina Terence, they've been asking questions. So, napaka-sarap sa pakiramdam na isang star player ng PBA, let's say, si Terence, si Calvin before. Ngayon, even sina Marcio, sina Scotty, di ba? Nagtatanong sila, 'di ba? Alam mo 'yon. So parang ang sarap sa pakiramdam na pag nasagot mo yung tanong nila, natulungan mo sila in a small detail o small way lang, no? Nakakatuwa din. So basically yun yung role ko sa team.
Pards, syempre Coach Tim Cone, head coach dito, marami na kayong pinagdaanan nga. Ito, kasama mo si Coach Tim, sabi mo nga ano-anong feeling na kumbaga dati, di ba, LA, sasabihin sa'yo, nasa floor ka. Ito, katabi mo, ikaw naman, Coach, 5 fouls are, di ba, kamusta yung adjustment?
Honestly, honestly, when I, when, actually, hindi naman to yung first time, parang assistant ako noon itong finals, di ba? Doon ko na-realize, kasi, most of my career, naglalaro ako tinuturuan niya ako, tama ka, pinapagalitan niya ako, tinuturuan niya ako, di ba? Ako yung tinuturuan. Pero honestly speaking right now, kaya pala, he's the winningest coach in the PBA. He's really iba.
Kita mo.
Nakita ko talaga na, kaya pala, ganito siya trumabaho. Very detailed, very OC, meron siyang plano. Alam niya yung ginagawa niya. He's very confident dun sa ginagawa niya. So, and he's very, kumbaga, nakikinig siya. Nakikinig siya sa mga assistant coaches niya. Kinukuha niya yung mga magagandang puntos and then, kung pwedeng gagamitin niya. But in the end of the day, he has his own decision. And that decision, per se, napapanindigan niya. And he's gonna do it like, talagang, kung ito yung gusto ko, ito yung gagawin. So, to be honest, I mean, it's not easy to teach, our system within 10 days sa mga iba't ibang klaseng players that we have right now. It's not easy. Ako, natutunan ko yung sistema. Siguro mga 5 taon bago ko natutunan yung sistema ni Coach Tim. Kami, 10 araw lang. Diba? So, ganun siya ka-detalye. He's a teacher. Natural teacher siya. So, hindi lang siya coach, kundi teacher din siya. And napakalaking bagay, yung laking bagay ng kombinasyon ng pagiging teacher and ng pagiging coach.
Pards, gaano kalayo? Kasi si Coach Tim, 1998 Centennial Team bronze medal finish ng Asian Games. Pero syempre, we wanna do better here. Yun nga, hindi madali. Sabi mo, 10 days, challenge tong ginawa. Di ba, Coach Al Francis, ng SMC, kunin, Coach Tim, kayo. Pero, ano sa tingin mo, realistically, gaano kalayo tayo dito? With all things considered.
Well, obviously, we're not gonna go there parang isipin lang namin na, okay lang kami sa second round. Diba? Siyempre, hindi yun. We have a goal. Of course, to get that medal. No? Gold medal. That's the goal. But I think for now, as I speak right now, I think our goal is really, our focus is really, to get better before the start of the tournament. And then, pagdating na ng tournament, doon na namin makikita kung hanggang saan kami. Diba? So, siyempre, may goal tayo Hindi naman mawawala. Alam naman sabihin ko, hindi, hanggang second round lang kami. Diba? Bakit pa kami pupunta doon? Diba? So, our goal is really to win that medal. No? Of course, for the country, for the Philippines, especially, after what happened to us in the FIBA, it's nice to have somehow, magandang regalo naman na kapalit bago matapos ang taon. But of course, it's not gonna be easy. There's a lot of challenges, a lot of adversities for sure na mangyayari. Of course, sa China pa gagawin. So, parang medyo ang aakyatin natin bundok is sobrang hirap. But, we can do it. I'm happy na nakikita ko yung mga players really sacrificing. We had training camp in Inspire Academy. I just got home this afternoon. And the players, you see the sacrifice of the players talaga. 3 times a day, practice. And those are PBA players, star players already practicing 3 times a day.
Grabe.
And they're really committed. Yun yung nakita ko sa kanila na sa tingin ko na bubuhay sa amin nitong Asian Games.
Pards, quick timeout muna tayo ulit. Commercial tayo ulit. Our all-out conversation with LA Tenorio will continue after this short break. Stay tuned. Only here to Sports Desk on CNN Philippines. And we're back. Thank you for joining us here on Sports Desk only on CNN Philippines. Our guest today, bagay kay Ginebra superstar Latiniente, LA Tenorio. Pards, kamusta sa oras? Pero ito, yung mga fans na nagpagawa ng shirt, di ba? Grabe din yun nung nakita ko nga. Ano yung kumbaga, ano yung naramdaman mo or nasabi mo sa kanila dahil beyond the basketball court, di ba nagpagawa pa, yung solidarity lahat. Pati hindi lang mga fans, sabi ko hindi lang fans ni LA Tenorio, fans ng PBA, fans ng Ginebra, kumbaga from different na, yung iba nga hindi pa nakakanood ng PBA pero sumuporta.
Siyempre nakita ko nakakataba ng puso. No? Doon pala makikita mo na naging inspirasyon ko rin sila. No? That's why I fought for this illness or yung sakit na to. Kaya rin ako lumaban kasi because of them, 'di ba? I have again katulad ng team namin, I have a goal. I have to go back. I want to go back playing and every day I just have to get better and masusuklian ko 'yun. Yun lang naman ang pwede ko isukli sa kanila. Siyempre, of course, nagpasalamat ako sa kanila but masusuklian ko sa kanila is makita ulit nila ako maglaro.
Of course. Okay, quickly, sa mga draft picks ng Ginebra na masasabi mo, yung mga rookies.
Nakita ko sila nung PBA on tour kasi players din namin sila, si Ralph Koo and Kim Maurin, no? And of course, the son of Freddy Abuda.
Franz Abuda.
Oo, nakita ko rin 'yun. Kasabi ko kumain 'yun. Si Coach Freddy. Hindi, I'm excited to see those young players. Nakita ko yung potential nila during the PBA on tour. So I think makakatulong sila. I don't know lang, of course, with the lineup that we have right now. So medyo tight. Pero sa tingin ko sa kanila, if they're gonna practice with us or they're gonna be with our team, malaking bagay for them yun. Kasi marami sila matututunan with Christian, with Japet, with Jamie, Scotty, diba? So ngayon, nandun pa sa amin si Maverick Almisi. Actually, yun yung first round pick namin.
Anong gusto mo sabihin sa lahat ng fans, Pards? I wish we had more time, but go ahead. Eto, bigay ko sa'yo oras. Anong gusto sabihin ni LA Tenorio? Go ahead. Sige.
Okay. Hello. Again, katulad na sinabi ko kanina, I want to take this opportunity to thank all the fans, no, sa lahat ng mga sumuporta sa akin, fan ko man or hindi. Lahat kayo. Siyempre, PBA family, nandyan, lahat ng mga players nagdasal sa akin, and most especially, my Ginebra family. No? Nagpapasalamat ako sa kanila. The San Miguel Corporation family, of course, kay Boss RSA, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta. All throughout my journey, nandyan siya parate to check on me. And of course, Boss Al Francis. No? Boss Al Francis Chua na parate, as in, kailangan na-check niya ako kung anong kinakain ko, anong ginagawa ko. Nandiyan siya. Siya yung nagiging doktor ko, siya pa yung nagiging tatay ko. So maraming salamat sa inyo. Again, sana sa pagbalik ko sa basketball, yun na, masuklian ko yung mga dasal at mga messages, magagandang messages na binigay niyo sa akin. So, yun. Sana patuloy nyo pa rin ako ipagdasal. Siyempre, ito pa rin, nagre-recover pa rin tayo. So, dasal lang and hopefully magkita-kita tayo sa venues ng PBA Games. So, thank you sa inyo lahat.
Maraming salamat. Again, pray, hope, and
don't worry. Yes.
Nag-iisang Latiniente ng Barangay Ginebra, LA Tenorio. Maraming salamat, Pards. We've reached today's finish line. Join us again. Nanang Boses, live. Gusto mo ikaw na magbasa? Weeknights, go. Weeknights
at 8:30 p.m. for the day's top sports stories. Yan. I'm LA Tenorio. Thank you for watching Sports Desk.